Hi, everybody. Nancy Atkins here at Atkins Family Law. So I'm wondering if a step-parent adoption is right for you. And I just want to walk you through 3 different scenarios where the answer might be yes. So things for you to consider if you're thinking about a step-parent adoption. If you're the parent and you can't find the other parent, and the other parent and you have never been married, and they've been gone for at least 2 years, then there's a pretty good chance if you got somebody else in your life that wants to step in and adopt your child, then there's a pretty good chance that we can get that done for you. So if you're not married and you haven't seen the other parent for a super long time and there's no court order or paperwork in place, then you got a pretty good shot at getting a step-parent adoption granted. Another way to do it is where the other parent would consent, because some of the issues that you'll come up with if you don't have their consent. You know, we used to be able to get a default judgment against the parent for not showing up. And that's one of those things that come up. The law changed last year in Florida. So you actually have to go find the other parent. So if you got some court orders or court paperwork that's in the file with the other parent, then in order for you to proceed on a step-parent adoption, you've got to be able to find that parent, even though they're, MIA, if you will. So make sure that you kind of know where they are. If they've moved out of the state, if they've moved out of the country, you really do have to know where they are and how to get at them if you want to proceed with that step-parent adoption where there's court orders or paper in a file. And I think the other thing that would come up as an obstacle to a step-parent adoption would be where the parents are previously married and there's a divorce decree somewhere that talks about custody and parenting plan. And so it becomes a little more difficult for you to do a step-parent adoption, but you can get it done if you have consent. So that's the big thing. Consent's the big thing. Does the other parent object? And a lot of times it's really just about, listen, can I terminate my rights and get out of my child support? And the answer is, yeah, you can, if somebody wants to step into that role and do a step-parent adoption. So that's great ideas for you, but 3 different little scenarios for you if you're thinking about a step-parent adoption and whether that's right for you. So if you have any questions about a step-parent adoption, please give my office a call. I'd love to have that conversation with you about your step-parent adoption. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.